Here I can use the property which is that if qx is a cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx plus c bx square plus cx plus d, then alpha plus beta plus gamma will be minus of b by a. So here I compare where alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of qx. So if I use this property in the question, I'll get alpha is a minus b, beta is a, and gamma is a plus b, and coefficient of b is the coefficient of x square. So here coefficient of x square is minus 3, so I can say minus 3 by coefficient of x cube is 1, so it will be 1. So from here I can write a plus a plus a 3a, and minus b plus b will be 0 equals to, it will be 3, or I can say value of a is 1. Now I know that the product of the zeros alpha, beta and gamma is given by minus d by a, the ratio of constant term and the coefficient of x cube. So if I compare with the question, it will be minus b, 1 a minus b into a plus b equals to constant term in the cubic polynomial is 1, so minus 1 by value of a is the coefficient of x cube, which is also 1. So from here I can write a minus b into a plus b is minus 1, and value of a is 1, so I can write 1 minus b into 1 plus b equals to minus 1, or I can a minus b into a plus b will be a square minus b square, so a square minus b square equals to minus 1. From here I can write b square equals to 1 plus 1, or I can say b square will be 2, or I can say b will be plus minus under root 2.